I recently got my hands on the Caraway non-stick ceramic Dutch oven, and it's been a game changer in my kitchen. This beauty isn't just about looks, it's made from non-toxic materials, which means I can cook with peace of mind. The ceramic coating is incredibly smooth, making cleanup a breeze. No more scrubbing for hours after a hearty meal. What I love most is its versatility. Whether I'm slow cooking a stew, baking bread, or whipping up a pasta dish, this Dutch oven handles it all like a pro. Plus, it's oven safe up to 550 degrees, so I can easily transition from stovetop to oven. And let's not forget the vibrant colors that add a pop to my kitchen. If you're looking for a reliable, stylish, and eco-friendly cooking companion, the Caraway Dutch oven is definitely worth considering. Order now by now link in the description.